one final holding to give consideration to, and that is Taste, which, as we know, is a bit of a hybrid business. Carlo Gonzaga's operation started out in the sort of franchise game. It's got a jewellery business, which we won't really go into a lot of detail. That's National Wholesale Jewelers and a couple of other brands.
I think they've got Mont Blanc as well as Cartier.
Yeah, but the name of the business where they operate that thing is not... I'm trying to think of the jewellery store that they bought, Arthur Kaplan. That's what it is. Okay. But anyway, leave that aside. We're talking fast food today. So in that regard, of course, they own the Dominos franchise. That is a global brand pizza. They also have Maxi's and Fish and Chip Company, but they were the party that won the right to expand Starbucks in this market. So far, 2 stores, one in Rosebank, one in the Mall of Africa. But it's a company that is really spending a lot of money in order to expand its store footprint, particularly in regard of the Doritos,
Domino's.
The Domino's and the Starbucks.
Yeah.
So which is going to cost a bomb.
They're spending a lot of money.
Hang on, let me just tell you. So it's 859.3 million rand. No price to earnings ratio. Well, it says minus 12.5, but that's because they made a loss. And dividends, well, they did pay a few dividends here or there, but I don't think that's the sustainable dividend yield for sure.
No, I don't think so. I mean,
the sustainable future
it's going to drop to zero. Look, I mean, they're spending a lot of money trying to get their brands out there. The exciting brand for me in this particular company is Starbucks. I'm not so excited about Domino's.
Because Pizza Hut is there,
yeah,
and Panarottis is big already, and Demedes is there already.
And to make good pizza, I think, is more difficult than what people realize.
Although Domino's, of course, know what they're doing, and they've got a fancy ordering system and all that.
But it still feels like factory pizza to me. I don't know. I'm just being biased, perhaps, and saying nasty things, but I don't quite enjoy it. There isn't a Domino's close enough to my house, so I haven't actually tried that yet, I'm ashamed to say. Can I be horrible?
What?
Can I be really horrible? Yeah, I don't know. I don't enjoy it. That's just my personal.
That's harsh.
My personal view. Starbucks, I think, will probably do well. South Africans have the tendency to eat up.
Plus,
US
I get a
brands.
sense that the main player in this country in gourmet coffees, which is Vida E Cafe, is having a few problems.
Finding it a bit difficult.
It expanded a little bit too fast. The management has been very unsettled. It's private equity owned. There's been some rumors that the private equity partners want to get out. They were not happy with the managers. You know, those kinds of problems.
And that could pose an opportunity for Taste Holdings if they took Vida and rebranded them all to Starbucks.
Maybe, but it also means perhaps that they're just going to say, listen, those guys are the incumbent, but we're going to try and circle them. And we, as you said, South Africans love a global brand.
Correct.
Anyway, so now the problem is, let's have a look at the chart. This thing is all over the show, and we bought some in our little hot stocks portfolio. I don't even know what our entry price was, 3 Rand 40 or something. And since then, they've been bouncing around, going down. Bronwyn's always on my case, trying to get us to throw them out. But anyway, I feel like this is a fun one to own, and because we love Starbucks globally, that's a nice way to be involved with both of them.
To back it locally as well.
So I'm going to go hot on it, but I would understand if others thought this was a bit of a
I think if you own it, don't sell it, but I wouldn't be a buyer of it at this point.
Yeah, okay, so that's a not hot from your side, and I'm going to go hot.